5 mistakes you make when you publish your video. So you publish your video and it didn't go viral. What's next? When you publish your video, making these mistakes will hold it back from making an impact. Number 1, wasting time by not optimizing. You create video content in order to grab people's attention and keep it. This is really hard if you skip the optimization step. Optimization both deliver a high quality piece of media content and also make it accessible for more people on more devices. Failure to optimize can destroy an entire marketing campaign before it even begins. Use the right size for the right platform. IGTV and Facebook cover all use different size formats. Don't try to use the same size everywhere. Number 2, failure to post or delay posting. I'm guilty of this one. If you keep waiting for the perfect video or the perfect time, you may never post anything at all. While a clever marketing schedule makes sense, any anxiety or reticency to post get in the way of progress. When you have a finished video and it's properly optimized and aligned with an overall marketing strategy, don't wait for the perfect one with the perfect timing. Instead, just do it. Just letting you know, this video is brought to you by BDH Collective. A collective of freelancers will provide all the creative, technical, and administrative resources you need for your creative project. If your project is in media, multimedia, advertisement, design, art, or fashion, this is the agency for you. If you want to check them out, visit bdhcollective.com. Now, let's get back to the video. Number 3, not collecting data and tracking video views. I mentioned this one in the previous video. If you do not collect information about how well the video is performing, how much traffic it's attracting, and if the visitor is clicking through your other platform, how will you know if it's working at all? Any company must use analytics to quantify success rate on video and other advertising methods. Failure to do this results in a loss of money, waste of time, and opportunity. When clients contact you, ask them how they found your services or product. You can also use URL shortener services like Rebrandly or Bitly to know how many people click through your links. Number 4, not fully integrated your brand. You may have the best video in the world that's well optimized, entertaining, and informative, but if it does not integrate fully with your brand identity, you will miss out. The overall look and feel of everything from a product review clip to a YouTube tutorial should match what you want your brand to say about your business. Integration of brand doesn't mean putting a huge image of your logo throughout the video. It could be a small logo at the bottom corner for a certain type of content, or having nice graphic with color on your LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram page. Missing out on captioning. Not only does refusal to add proper captioning to your video exclude out of hearing customer, it also makes it difficult for people viewing on the go to get the message. People watching a marketing video can be in the subway, in a waiting room, or any place where the sound could disturb the surrounding. Captioning also provides an opportunity for search engine optimization. You can also add almost twice as much information to a video with both information caption and audio playing at the same time. Make it easy for people to get to your content. Don't make it hard for people to find you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. If you want to check out the online workshop, you will find the link in the description below.